former governor of Edo State and the current senator wey dey represent Edo North Senator Comrade Adams Oshiomhole don tok say im dey happy with the leadership style of Governor Okpebholo and come praise the governor say im no be only team player but na person wey dey ready to meet the needs of Edo people. Senator Oshiomhole tok dis one wen im meet tori pipo after Governor Okpebholo pay am visit for Auchi, the administrative headquarters of Isako West local government area for Edo State. The visit na one of the holiday visits wey show the spirit of Christmas. Governor Okpebholo get warm reception from Senator Oshiomhole for im house for Auchi. After the welcome, both of them come carry waka go the house of Senator Oshiomhole mama Aija Ashetu Oshiomhole wey welcome them with her usual love and plenty blessings. After the visit, Senator Oshiomhole for im talk with tori pipo come here and say,
what is obvious is that when you begin to do the piecemeal, the sum, from day one in the history of Edo, we have a governor that from day one started making appointments so that no day, no minute, no second was lost. And a number of profound decisions have been taken. And to my recollection, no governor has, it took me about 3 months to set up my state ESCO and much longer period to set up the boards, etc., etc. But everybody in Edo is a witness to the fact that the governor from day one has hit the ground running, appointing critical people so that those sectors don't lag behind. For example, justice, health, suburb, because the issue of basic education is very dear to his heart, and you can't suspend it for 2 minutes. So a couple of those decisions that can't wait, he has taken those. In addition to getting contractors to begin to take possession of sites and carry out appropriate survey to ensure that this commitment to infrastructure starts immediately. And people already know that there's a new sheriff in town. And of course, getting rid of all the bad guys and stopping the bleeding that Edo was going through. I'm not sure I have his permission to say this, but it is not a secret. Local government councils were paying huge sums of money to the predecessor, and he has written to say, no, stop. This is not why I'm here. We want the money to be used to develop the localities. So there are a lot of profound decisions he has taken. As I keep saying, minimum words, maximum wisdom. What people need after 8 years of rhetorics and MOUs, etc., they want action. Things that they can feel, things that they can see. That is why when I was in Edo, I said we will move away from ear mark to eye mark. He's already doing eye mark, what people can see. And but for the fact that there are certain procedures that has to be followed, there are a couple of many other things that people will already see on ground happening. I think he's done extremely well, and those working with him, he brings them close. He has collective decision-making processes, sitting with all your appointees, not because you can't do without them, because he believes that 2 heads, in fact, 2 good heads are better than 1. So he has his people around him with whom they have conversations and make decisions for the good of our people. I'm very proud, and I believe that by the time every instrument of office is in place, everything will be... I think people are happy. This is what I get from outside, that now we have a new governor. Now we have a new governor. The emphasis is not because it's new, but what is new is the things he's doing differently. And look at all the crises the former governor created in traditional institutions, just to create disharmony in so many communities. And he has given hearing to all those who wishes to come and make complaints so that he can redress them and do justice in each of those cases. It's not everything that's about brick and mortar. Some other things have to do with fairness, justice, etc., etc. So I'm satisfied that we are in safe hand. So I can proudly say to Edo people, Edo is now back in safe hands. That is the hands of Governor Monday Okpebholo.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Esako West Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojoisole, TMC TV News.